back to our channel and welcome to Tasmania. We have been here for a day or two, maybe 2 days already, but we've just been doing some work stuff and we had to get the vehicle registration inspection done today. We are headed to the Upper Natone free camp tonight. It looks like a really gorgeous camp and we're hoping to also have a fire tonight and have, I think, steaks on the fire. Maybe some roast potatoes. Just the usual thing we always have.
Maybe we can mix it up
on a campfire. So we're gonna head there now. Hopefully find a good spot. Hopefully it's not too busy. We'll see you there.
Am I still going the right way?
You are. Alrighty, so we're turning the next left on Blythe Road. Oh, the sign's down. You looked pretty flat if you come forward a bit, or is that flat? You happy, Frank? What do you reckon? Is this good? Okay, good. And that's our backdrop. There's a lovely little lake just there. So we have another person with us. We've got 2 vans tonight. My mum has come down to Tassie as well. You'll remember her from a few videos ago. So she's just hired, she's got her own van, but she's hired this little guy. She's catching up with some friends while she's here. So she's just with us for a week or so. Let's get some dinner sorted, I reckon. I'm starving.
Actually, yeah, I'm hungry.
I'm starving. All right, dinner time.
We're going to get some bits and pieces out for this fire tonight. We've got a little camp chair. We've got our little fold-away shovel. Little fire hook. Cheeky little fire hook. And handy little saw. Alright, so tonight we're going to have our fire in there.
It's actually very, very pretty.
So we've got some little pine cones. Pine cones are really good little fire starters, and there's just so much surface area and they're kind of thin and flaky. They ignite pretty well and hold a bit of a flame. Plus I guess they got pine sap in them, which helps. Oh. So much resin in them. I just love it. Keep a few of them in your back drawer.
I probably should collect a few.
We'll get the fire going in here, get it nice and sturdy, get some coals going. Cook our maybe some potatoes, some veggies in alfoil, and then when we want to cook the steaks, we'll pull some of the coals out and stick them on top of this big hot plate and use our little grill. How good are those pine cones, man? So the fire's going and we're going to get some veggies in some alfoil.
Look at those.
That's a funny looking potato.
We got them from a health food store.
It's going to be fun scrubbing them.
All the nooks and crannies, you have to use your toothbrush.
Yeah, get your toothbrush out, right?
Would you mind getting the steaks out of the fridge for me, bud?
I'm paying attention.
Groovy. So what have we got? Scotch fillet. Scotch fillet. This looks like a Scotch fillet as well, I reckon. It's just upside down and back to front.
What date is it?
Can you tell? Alright, we'll let the steak sit for a while and just relax. Marianne's doing the veggies, fire's going. Ooh, I better check on that fire. Whoop. What are you doing, bud? What you doing? You think I've got goodies, don't you? Potatoes. Hey. Hasn't he had dinner?
Of course he's had dinner.
Mate, you've had dinner?
And snacks.
You've had dinner, bud? Sasha's cooking some eggs for a little snack because we're hungry. So we've got some veggies inside of our fish grill. I think that's what you call it, like a fish grill. And just sit it up there like that, and then we can flip it around. Potatoes are chilling in the back there. Sasha doesn't like the way I cook hard-boiled eggs.
The term is hard boiled.
I like them when they're a bit gooey on the inside.
I don't mind if they're hot and they're gooey, but if they're in the fridge and they're gooey, ugh, that's disgusting.
Ooh, it's hot. So I've stolen some coals from the main fire on the left, chucked them on the potatoes. Potatoes are covered in coals. These veggies are cooking fast, maybe a bit too fast.
I almost lost a steak then. Hey Frankie, a little opportunist.
Just a bit small.
Ooh-wee. Smoky. Hey, bud. Smoky.
Not quite good as sizzle.
That's right. So much smoke.
Your eyes are all red.
I washed my hair, if you can't tell, today. There we go, got some heat going. Ooh, my hand.
Nice having this big slab of stone that we can use as a table.
Look at that beautiful potato, it's so cute.
Nah, she's good, I reckon. Oh, perfect.
Last time you got it. Oh, you're kidding. I do. Oh, look at them. So I will have to. Oh, okay, so there's. Did you wear?
From that.
I don't know if you can hear that, but there's literally a group of people in the bush having a karaoke sing-song right now with a big jukebox. A minute ago it was John Denver. No, sorry, it was Adele, then it was John Denver. Now I'm not sure what it is, but it sounds very, very romantic. They're in the pine forest just over there. Come on, bud. What have you done, Frank? You're in the sin bin, mate.
Oh, there's Grandma.
Alrighty guys, I'm going to go and fix my hair up and go to bed. Sun's gone down, it's about 9 o'clock I think. It's getting cold, it's going to be 9 degrees tonight. So we're going to get the blankies out See you in the morning.
You ready for bed? Yeah.
Good morning. We're awake. We're just going to go for a walk this morning around this little pond which is over here in the campground. That's just...
This is going the wrong way. This needs to go that way.
I like how idea of doing it for.
Oh, hang on. What's going on here? Oh, gee. She's locked in. Oh, we're going to have to go this way. Oh.
Is that a Peru?
No, that's a wallaby.
There's a wild one.
It's a wild animal in its natural habitat. I'd consider getting the paddleboard out, but there's got to be some swamp monsters in there. Frankie's getting a haircut this morning. Hey,
I'm not happy.
making you look pretty. You're a very good boy. His Grinch feet were getting very grubby running around in the bush, collecting all the flora and fauna along the way. You look very dapper, mate.
Chop some of this chest hair off.
Oh, not the chest hair. Not his mane. Oh, goodness. So once Frank has had his haircut, we're going to head back down the mountain to the coast and stock up with some supplies. So we're thinking maybe tonight we'll go and watch the little penguins come on shore after about an hour after sunset. They usually wander up the beach and into their little burrows, I guess. Show us your new bangs, mate. Hey? Show... Now let me look at you. Hey? Look at you and your haircut. Looking all smart. Hey? Ready to tackle the swamp. Sasha and I are going to go to the gym. Marianne has taken Frankie with her and we're going to meet her in Stanley, which is about an hour and a half's drive from here at least.
That's where the penguins are.
That's where the penguins are. Yeah, it's been a lovely little camp spot.
Yeah, the sun's out now. It looks bloody gorgeous.
It's now 4 o'clock. We've been to the gym. We've done some groceries. We didn't do a lot. It was quite empty, but anyway. So we're heading towards Stanley, which is where the penguins are. Mum is already there and she's got us a spot. So we should be there in time to have some dinner and then go check out the penguins.
Check out the penguins. Little fairy penguins? I'm pretty sure they're fairy penguins.
We got recommended this particular location to see the penguins by the mechanic yesterday. Apparently they come every night at sunset or after sunset.
So that thing over there is called the nut. I don't know why.
We'll have to Google it.
Or maybe there was a guy who lived up the top and he was a bit of a recluse. And every now and again when he'd come into town, you know, people would see him and they're like, oh, that nutter's in town again. And he like lived on top of the rock, you know, like it was his castle. And he was very protective of it. But then the township grew to love this guy. And then he passed away and they had this big heartfelt ceremony in town. And they dubbed the rock thing over there, the nut, after the nutter.
There's Mum. Attached.
Alrighty, we're all rugged up and it's 8:15. The sun is about to set. It's about 20 minutes away from setting. And that is when the penguins come out. So we're hopped in Mum's van, so the little one. Frankie is in our van. He's over there. We've got our little spy cameras on him, so we'll watch him while we're away.
Bye, Frankie.
Let's go see some penguins.
Jeez, that big rig makes our van look tiny. This thing looks small compared to it.
Yeah. There's lots of Mitsubishi cans.
Yeah. Someone's somewhere in their seat.
Look at that mountain. Yeah, that's the platform that we have to find penguins on or something. I don't really know. Last night they had 91 penguins here. So hopefully we see some.
Hopefully we see 91 penguins. We're just checking on Frankie back at the van. There he is in the van,
Fast asleep.
beside the door.
I'm just imagining him out in the swing.
Oh,